Hello, artists. So what we're going to do today is a little exercise of drawing what we see. We're going to use Pablo Picasso's portrait of Igor Stravinsky. I'm not really sure how to pronounce his name, but we're going to try and copy that drawing as best we can, and we're going to do it with a little bit of a twist. We're going to turn the drawing upside down, and we're only going to reveal a small portion at a time. And the reason we're only going to reveal a little bit at a time is because we want to make sure the proportions are correct. And another reason we're doing this is because our brains are programmed to draw what we symbolize. What I mean by that is if you had a random like blob and then a circle and a dot in the middle, you'd identify it as some sort of creature, right? But is it a creature? No, it's a line, an organic line, and then we have a dot and a circle. That's really what it is. But our brain thinks in symbols. So what we're going to do with this drawing is get away from that and try and focus on drawing what we see, interpreting the relationships of lines. And by doing that, we're giving our brain an art workout, and we are going to be better. All right, so here's what it looks like. All right, so you see that the half sheet of paper, I'm just covering it with another half sheet of paper. And then as I start drawing the lines, I'm looking at angles and I'm trying to do the same height as the ones I see on the paper. Occasionally you'll see that I'm doing them a little bit different. Don't get preoccupied with the whole. Just look at a little bit at a time. And as you start drawing, you can compare side to side. So sometimes I'll start on the right and work to the left if I know that a line's going to continue. And sometimes I won't, but really I'm just trying to get those relationships. Then I move down a little bit further on the paper, and then I continue to draw. So as you're doing this, don't get overwhelmed by the whole. Don't try and trace it. Some students have tried to do that, and it's very obvious when someone's tracing this image. But anyway, as you go, just focus on trying to copy those relationships, and then if you get tired in the middle of this, you can walk away from your drawing for a minute, stand up, stretch, maybe look at something else, go get a drink of water, and then come back to it. With this being drawing what you see, it is kind of difficult, and your brain, if it's not used to this, it will get tired. So you've got to do certain things to, stand up, take a break, whatever you can, just so that you're able to continue and do your best. Now, you have a couple options. This one is of Pablo Picasso's Igor, or portrait of Igor, but you have a few other options to download and then use those to draw your images. Now, as I get towards the end, you'll notice that there are some differences between Picasso's drawing and my drawing. And that's okay. There's going to be some differences between yours and Picasso's. The important thing is that you've practiced that idea of copying what you see and not thinking in symbols. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your drawing.